If your Kia Sportage just clicks or stays silent when you turn the key, let's walk through the 5 most likely reasons why. Believe it or not, nearly 70% of all no-start complaints are traced back to a simple battery or terminal issue. Before you call a tow truck, follow this logical diagnostic process in your own driveway. Start by checking the battery terminals for corrosion, testing your key fob, and observing the dash lights during a crank attempt. If the battery is healthy, consider the starter solenoid, the neutral safety switch, or a simple blown ignition fuse. Secondary culprits include a faulty crankshaft position sensor, a dead fuel pump relay, or an immobilizer system fault. You can easily handle electrical connections and relay swaps, but leave fuel pumps and starter motor replacements to the professionals. Budgeting matters, so here is the typical cost breakdown for the repairs we have discussed today. If simple checks fail, use an OBDI scanner, a multimeter, and a fuel pressure gauge to pinpoint the exact failure. Make sure you have a 10mm wrench, a digital multimeter, and a basic code scanner in your kit before starting. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components. If you're still stuck after these steps, it is time to have a professional technician look at your Sportage.